Istorya the world kay pahuway sa tagamay. Wa ni uwan so akong gitiwas. Kaning mga tao ba? Magmarites ta ha. Kaning mga tao ba? Makakwarta lagamay arte na kaayo. Dili na mohuga sa plato, mag-hire na og maid, di mo gawas, magpayong-payong kay init, kay unsa nang gipamutang nila silang test. Makakwarta talaga may arte. Wa man gay ko nang hinambog nga wa gyud ko'y kwarta. O pahol mata bi. Pahol mata world kay ako ning hamno. Patakag. Okay, I'm having a hard time speaking Bisaya. Pahol mata kay kanang mga arte diha. Pahol ma ko bi kay humnon ko ni akong property. Bitaw oy. Ayaw mo pag ginarboso oy kay makagaba baya na ang blessings gihatag na sa universe no. Gihatag na ni Lord para kay magamit gamay. The rest para share na siya. So kitang tanan na dinhi sa kalibutan with only one mission, to serve everyone, every living creature, and to serve God, but most of all to serve the masses, because when you serve everyone you're serving Him. So that's what we need to do. Look into yourself unya, realize. I know daghang naglagot sa ako, or even family, they look down on me, sometimes mock me, make fun of me, because they don't understand why I'm helping others. And basically I'll tell you now, when you help others, it comes back and it keeps you going to help more. So I don't know how to explain it enough, but I'm helping because I'm also helping myself. I can't help everybody. I know daghan kayo ko og messages sa messenger all over, even non-followers would message me, and I don't know how their messages got through because my messenger only is accepting messages from leaders and really close to me, like my family. But these last few months everyone had been messaging me, and I don't know how it got through. Anyhow, earthquake, yes, we help people. Dili lang ko mo mention, but I send it to whoever really needs it the most. I also have a project here that I had to do and finish, so I can't help everybody. I'm sorry. Over here in the United States, I'm helping through volunteer work, so I'm not home every day anymore. I can't do my garden. Daghang catastrophe din here sa United States all over, especially my area. Since the flood, a lot of people could not get back up on their feet. Daghang walang balay, daghang walang gikaon, how do you say it? Daghan ang walay gikaon karon parihara sa Pilipinas. So naghelp sa ko diri sa community, not by money but through labor and volunteering, asking for donations here ngadto sa town sa ubos diri sa amo. So I've been busy. It's not just the Philippines that's suffering right now, it's all over the globe. Jamaica right now is in very, very bad shape. I think they had category 5 hurricane, really, really strong hurricane last night, 145 to 150 miles per hour. Alaska is down underwater, parts of it. It's all over. California's in trouble, Texas is in trouble, Philippines in trouble. It's like all over, and there's only so much we can do. So daghang messages nga wala pa nako na reply because over here I'm volunteering unya daghan sad kog messages incoming. Also, I lost my phone for almost 2 weeks, so it had been tough. I've been using Chris's phone. I have my iPad, my laptop, and my other iPhone, but we don't have signal here. I still do not have Starlink because wala pa may power. Ang solar powers wala pa naabot ang mga panels, so I don't know when it's coming. It's supposed to come 2 weeks ago, unya wala. So wala may, the only power I have is the solar panels enough dito sa RV. Sa balay, our internet is really slow kay it's through Spectrum, and yeah, ang data is really bad because the weather had been crazy. We had tornado the other day, so mauna. Anyhow, going back to my being a Marites, ay mo pag in RT world. Money is money. I'm glad you have money. I don't, pahod mako. But murag kuan gina sa Filipino trait no nga kung naay kwarta ang garbo mong saka nya lain na kaayo og sinultian. I hope if you get to that point, you know, you don't do that because it's not good. It's not good for you. It's not good for your children to look down on other people, and I know it looks bad on you, and you don't want people to worship you and look up to you because you have a lot of money. That's not how it should be. You should lead and be good, and so people, you know, look to you and come to you for advice, come to you for guidance, and you know, hopefully they will learn and will become good people too. That's what we're here for, and when we're ready, we go somewhere in a totally different dimension. So maura gid na akong ikasulti kay when was it? I think it was last week. I went to town. Kato bitawng nag-drive ko sa Bronco, sa white truck. Onya, I was wearing red t-shirt or polo shirt. I went down to the grocery store. Na ako'y nakitaan nga Pinay. Ay sus, grabe. She was wearing scrubs, so I don't know if she's a caretaker or works at a nursing home or something. Na siya bag, Louis Vuitton. Ano siya, taas kayo. She wasn't looking at me because a lot of people here think I'm Thai or Malaysian for some reason. Ano siya, na. Yeah. Kuan ba ka ng pushy, palit siya og isda. One pound. Just 1 pound. And then the guy was like, oh, it's a little over a pound. I said, okay, no, just 1 pound. Like, arte kayo ba? Glagot kayo kung nagtanang sulok akong dugo. And then siya, anak ka siya, lakaw. Lain na gid aning ubang Pilipino. Maglaro ra ba kayo basta bag-o pa bitaw sila diri sa Amerika? Arte. Unya. Kuan ba basta ang lihok kanang murag garbusa, nga murag tinabundak ang sinultian. Karon nagkasunod mi pag check out. I only bought like a few. I bought salmon, spinach, some spaghetti. You know, kato bitang akong giluto. Tamati, singan ana. So nagsunod ko niya ana siya. Ana siya. Sa iyang card ana. Ingon ang cashier nga tap or insert to pay. Ana siya. Na-decline bitaw na yung credit card world. Yeah, wala siya laing kwarta. Wala siya kabayad sa nagpanik siya kay taas kayo ang linya. Ako na lang sang gibayaran. I was born in the Philippines. arte. Nindot ka ang nanay pag inarte. Kaya tanawa ko, nagabaan hinong ka. Grabe. Marites ka as Pineapple Princess today. Anyway, istorya rabitaw kay gikapoy ko Garden World. Awa akong Muscles World. Dagko na kayo ko bukton. Ouch. Wabitaw, I lost weight. I look fat here because I'm closer to the camera. Ay, ooh, I lost weight. Bitaw, ay anhin na lang ko kutob. Mauna to ang atong lesson for today. Ayaw pag inarte, ayaw pag ginarbusa. No matter what you do, whether you're a lawyer, engineer, scientist, whatever, doctor, or nobody. Maybe you're recycling trash or something for a living. It doesn't matter. We are all the same. And from dust we came, from dust we shall return. Aloha world, I love you, and I hope this message sinks in. Love you. Bye-bye.